We're at Plitvice National Park, and we were actually here about 7 years ago in the snow, and it's going to be amazing to see what it looks like in the summertime. In this video, we're going to show you everything you need to know about all the paths, the lakes, the waterfalls in the lower and upper lakes, and all the other details you need to know to maneuver this spectacular national park. We have to climb over the road to get to the ticket office. Parking was really easy. They had plenty of it, and it ran about $12 for the day. Oh, UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here we are, we're gonna buy the tickets. So it's €40 per person.
Anyway, you from here, you walk first big waterfall.
Okay.
You see the big waterfall,
Yes.
and you see the wall waterfalls like on the lower lakes. And you will arrive to the P3 where is the electric boat.
Okay.
Electric boat goes every 30 minutes. So he drive you P2, and here you can decide.
Here we go. We just went through the entrance. I remember a lot from 7 years ago, but it was...
We were walking like this in the snow.
Yes, but it was snow, and we were hiking up this path, so we'll see what the path looks like now in the summertime.
Already looks better.
Yes, it does. I can't even explain the beauty of this place. Thank God we have video for you to see. Much different in the summertime than in the wintertime in snow. Wow. So we're walking on the trail to go down, and the tickets were $40 per person. That includes after you walk all the little bridges and stuff through the whole park at the bottom of on the waterfalls and the water. That includes what?
Boat ride?
Oh, a boat ride that takes you around the lake and shows you more waterfalls and things.
And the shuttle back to the parking.
I mean, it's so worth it. It's really crowded right now in the summer, but that's okay. And look at this little hike down here to the bottom. So nice. So pretty. Holy moly. Oh my God, look how clear that water is. This was an hour and 38-minute drive from Zadar. I mean, you can't beat that. So we rented a car at the airport just for one day, and it was €60. And you follow these wooden paths that they made, wooden walkways through all of the lakes and the different waterfalls and stuff. There's even waterfalls all through here. This is amazing!
Waterfalls I've ever seen in my life, you know?
And the water runs underneath these bridges.
It's almost like a Panama Canal. That's why there are so many waterfalls, because the water is going down from the top lake all the way down.
Oh, and that's why we take the bus back up. Eventually we'll be in the lower lakes. There's the boat that we're going to take. It's included in our ticket. There's a little teeny villagey area when you are waiting to get on the boat. That's the line for the boat. Thomas is in it right now. And there's restrooms and a little restaurant and a souvenir shop. But you don't really want to sit at the restaurant or anything because you have to wait in this long line to get on the boat. Now, if you want to avoid the boat, I guess there is a way that you walk all the way around, but then you'll miss the boat ride. And last time we did it, it was really nice. The boats are a bit full in the summer. We waited about an hour and 15 minutes to hop on this. We took the shuttle, but instead of going to the bus to take us back, we crossed over for like 2 seconds on the same shuttle, and it dropped us off where we could do 2 more trails. So we're doing the upper lakes now. Wow. I know. Oh my God. This is so funny. Take the extended shuttle. It's just a short little ride to see the upper lakes. You are really missing something if you don't see the upper lakes. Wow. They're almost more beautiful than the lower lakes, right?
Yeah.
The waterfalls on the upper lakes were amazing. We're still at the upper lakes. You need to for sure do this part. I don't know how long it takes. Maybe another hour or 2. I have no idea, but it's totally worth it. We hear another waterfall in the distance. So they have signs along all the paths and you can follow them. We're following C, which got us to the upper lakes. This place is so beautiful. And the whole thing that we did, and you can hike more. You can hike all the different paths. We just did, I think, 2, right? It's taken about 4 hours, but you stop along the way and then you take the boat. And it's really, really nice. We're about to hit one of the bigger waterfalls. This is, wow. I'm getting wet from this waterfall. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Wow. We're walking down the mountain now, or the hills, and look at this. So this is the backside of the other one, I think.
Wow, you're so close here.
I know. Wow, if we didn't come this way, we wouldn't see this. Now we're going there to try to find the shuttle back down the mountain. Woo. Wear good shoes. Plitvice Lakes was an absolute highlight for us. It's one of the most interesting, diverse national parks we've ever seen, which I suppose is why it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you can see our new content when it comes out. Hey, check out our merch store with our logo and cool travel designs. All of our clothes are made with 100% cotton or organic cotton, all colors and sizes. Tees, tanks, hoodies, and more, along with accessories like mugs, glasses, cell phone cases, and masks. Please support our channel and get some cool merch. Store link in the description.